If you're paying for the Linktree in your bio, anything from 8 to 15 to $36, I want to show you how you can not just replace it, but create a better version that's totally free, and how you can do it in probably under 15 minutes. Quite in fact, I'll show you like 5 different tools that you can build it with, and again, you can do it in seconds without any technical knowledge and without paying for any tool. Alright, so let's jump to the screen. I made this with, I think, one prompt. Obviously, you can make it better, you can make it stand out a bit, but it's like functioning and working. Now, I made it with a single prompt, and I did this with multiple different LLMs. So you can literally use AI to build the Linktree, and you don't have to pay for it. And I actually used ChatGPT, I used Gemini, I used Lovable, and I used Bolt, and created different variations. You can choose your own design, again, totally for free. So let me show you. Let's start with Gemini. This is actually, I think, the one or similar one that you see here. Pretty simple, like your photo, name and last name. You can add something here, and you can add as many links as you want. You will just tell, let's say you have 3 more, which, by the way, more is not better. You might be confusing your customers, but that's a story for another time. But point is, let's say I want to add 2 more links. I can be like, hey, add 2 more, and I can tell it what I wanted to build. Or I'll show you the one with Lovable. This one is already a bit better design. You'll also have this like social media links, and you can change anything. You can change color, background color, the links, how they look, etc. By the way, all of these are free to use, like Gemini, free to use, limited if you're on a free account, but enough to build you this page. Lovable, also limited, but again, with 1 to 2 prompts, you can pretty much build it. Now, I had this version with ChatGPT, but this was when I wanted you to be able to edit it inside, but that didn't make sense. So actually, I'll walk you through how you can build your own and how you can choose design. So I just went, So I just went to here, Linktree examples, and let's say you come here, and okay, I like this design. So what I'm gonna do is copy this image. You can go to any free tool, and actually I'll use Claude because they recently released their 4.5 version, so let's put their coding to the test. Here is the prompt, and I can give you any prompt. Build me a modern looking Linktree that looks similar to this. So you can literally, if you have some photos, some example, or your current example, let's say you're paying for Linktree and you're like, okay, I want to have it for free. You can just tell Claude to do this, and you can give it more options. What I would do is I would put my own. So let me give you an example. So I added this, add this as CTA, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join $1,000 with AI in October sprint, join my free Facebook group. It will not have ability to edit. You can upload your picture, ability to share link. Now, obviously, you want to give it the actual links that you want it to link it to, but for the example purposes, I'm not going to do it. So that's it. That's all you need to do. I'm just going to click go. Obviously, you can make even better prompt. You can go to ChatGPT or any other LLM and be like, do X, Y, and Z. And it's really cool. Like, all it takes you one prompt. You explain what you want. You can give examples if you want. You don't need to. By the way, if you're looking to get more clients and save more time with AI, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week. So consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, consider liking it. I'm trying to get to those 500 subs, and I think we are like 190 subs away. So I would appreciate your help. You can go to any LLM. Again, I suggest maybe Claude Code because it's new and they're the best at coding. But again, you can go to ChatGPT, you can go to Gemini, or you can go to no-code AI builders like Lovable, Bolt, or if you want to be fancy, you can even go to AI agents like Manus and Genspark maybe. And all of them will be able to do this. Now, for some of you that are wondering where do you host it, so I think you have 2 options. And okay, for some reason, Claude fails with a picture, others don't, so that's very weird. But yeah, and here it is. It took it like what, 40 seconds maybe? Ability to share, links. Obviously, again, when you give it the links, when you click, it will open the pages that it needs to. And name, last name. Now, let's say you want more links, you can add more links. Let's say you want those social links, you can tell it to add that. You literally chat to it. Now, again, if you're asking how do I do this, so I think Claude will allow you to publish this. So this is one way where you can publish. Let's see how this looks. Published. Yeah, so people will, you can literally just do it this way. Now, if you want more control, because this will be obviously on Claude server, what I personally do, if you use any funnel builder, I use FG funnels. I'll link it below if you want to use it, because you can use it for much more than just a link tree. You can build funnels, websites, products, run emails, like everything. And what I do is I create a new page and I literally just go here, add element, I pick code, and then what I do is I copy the code any LLM gave me, so I can copy the one from Claude, or I can copy the one from Gemini. I just paste it here, so you can see the code. And I don't know how to code, so again, this is pretty cool. And I just save, and when I go to preview, this is what I get. You can edit it, you can add things, remove things. So let's say you want to change some link, or in the future you're like publishing new product, you want to edit. So again, you can go to any LLM and you can just tell it now add XYZ, this is the link, and please remove XYZ, right? And Claude or any other, again, LLM will do this for you, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So you can now cancel your Linktree subscription. You can use, again, you can use Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Lovable, both, like so many other tools that are no-code tools that you can literally chat to and create something cool. So by the way, you can create even better options than this. You can make it more modern, you can make it pop up, you can make it glow, and again, you achieve it simply by chatting. Like, just tell it like, hey, add neon glow and pop up as someone hovers over the link, right? And you, like, your imagination is basically the limit and current ability of the AI coding, but they're getting better. Like, at the time if you're watching this, they're the worst that they're ever gonna be. So if you're watching this like month or 6 months from now, maybe it's even faster and easier and better looking and better code, right? Yeah, what's interesting is that Claude failed to fetch, but yeah, that's interesting. I'll do a separate Claude coding review, so we'll see how it actually works. Alright, thank you for watching. Now, if you want to see how you can make $1,000 with AI in about 4 weeks, I recently released a video covering just that, so I'll link it here and you can check it out.